Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to join a Roblox player without being friends. Let's open Roblox, go to Chrome extensions and manage them. We need Chrome Hepter and restore old Roblox server list. We need this add-on. Click add to Roblox, then add. Now it's important to set it up. Go here, click auto search and enter the player's username. Let's say it's me. To join them, reload the page and check if settings saved. Now we need to find the game they're playing. If they're in Murder Mystery 2, we go there. Click servers, and if they're playing, you can join them. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life, good luck, and goodbye everyone.